So you will see that I have been taking out all the old food, cleaning all the shelves, and then throwing out old stuff and getting ready to reorganize it since I bought some more groceries. I did not do a video of the groceries that were bought, but I am showing you that I am taking everything out. As you can see, everything has been taken out, and I'm just cleaning the shelves and putting stuff back in. So, milk always goes on the top shelf. That's how I do it. Put his here. That goes here. And then this one is the open one, so it goes up front. I have sweet tea that I drink, so it goes here. And then I put all of our eggs in here once I get them home, so that when we put them in these clear containers, that way we don't have to open the container that it comes in, the styrofoam ones, to know how many's left. We put it in these containers, and it makes it easier to know how many's left in there. And I prefer it that way. Put that there. This is his salad stuff. So. And then, that's where deli meat goes. I prefer salads for me to eat to come in these. That's how I prefer them. So, that goes there. Go here. Put that there. Oh, my leg is going to sleep on me. I'm sitting on it too long. Ooh. Put the butter here. That always sits in front of the eggs. So. And then we brought home yogurt for him, so I'm getting ready to put them up. So I will do a little short video later to show you how it all came together.